I want to go over factorial on both Excel and TI. So a factorial just asks you to to multiply. Actually, I don't know why I had add that multiply, because obviously I'm multiplying all the decreasing positive whole numbers and uses an exclamation mark to show it. So 5 factorial means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you multiply them. And it's just the integers, the whole numbers, as you count down. I say integers, although integers would be negative, and we never do this with a negative number. So whole number is probably more descriptive here. And you can see we stop before 0. So actually, natural numbers. Anyways, the point though is you count down by ones. And so if this was 10 factorial, it would be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how do you do this on your calculator and on your on Excel? The calculator is probably the easiest. So on calculator, I'm going to first put in 5, and then you're going to go to Math menu, and you're going to go over to Probability, which is the PRB, and you can see it's number 4. So then I've got 5 exclamation mark and 120. So that's the same as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, on the Excel, you're going to go to Formulas. You want Math and Trig, and there is one right here, Fact. And then you just put in the number you want, so in this case, 5, and there we go. So they're both pretty easy to use, and you can obviously do them. You know, it's easy to put in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but as the numbers get bigger, it can get really cumbersome to try to put it into your calculator.